What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Kaspa price chart to see if the price target that I've mentioned in the last video, so the 0.124 level till the 21st of August, if that is still active, and also what are the levels that I'm currently having my eyes on. So let's get straight into this. First of all, I can tell you that with this correction right here, the price target is still active. The invalidation point of this price target would be right here. No, that is a little bit too low, right here, because that is the 50% mark of this move where we did the breakout. And just from the balance of probabilities, if we break below this level with a daily candle close, then it is just very unlikely that we are still hitting this price target. And that is why this right here is the invalidation point. As you can see with the recent correction, we stopped one support level higher and made a bounce. Right now we retested the next resistance zone, got rejected, and right now it seems like we are doing our next attempt right here to break this. So first of all, let me show you what I'm currently looking at to get some bullish confirmation right here. So we have here the high, then we are making a low, then we are making a lower high, then we're making a lower low, then we made the bounce, which is also technically a lower high, and then right now we did this move. And what I want to see is the break of structure, and that is once we have a daily candle close above this recent high right here, and ideally of course also above this resistance level. They are pretty much the same, but the resistance is a little bit higher, and that is why I would like to see a daily candle close. A daily candle close right here above this level. That is what I want to see. Then we have the break of structure, then we have the first bullish confirmation. But I need to add something right here, and that is, even though that the price target is still active because we did not have the invalidation, just from the balance of probabilities, it is more unlikely that we are going to hit this price target right now in the time window till the 21st of October. That's not true, the 21st of August. That is just the lower likelihood, because we already have crossed the middle of this rectangle, of this time window, and we are not in the rectangle. And just from the balance of probabilities, this is pointing towards that it is more unlikely that we are not hitting this price target. So it's still active, it's just not very likely that we are hitting this in this time window. So I think what is gonna happen is more likely something like this one right here, that we will get to this price, just the time window is not correct. And that is something that I think is more likely, that we are seeing a move to the upside, also back to the recent highs, but just not in time. And you can already see right here what I'm doing, because then we would get a new price target right here, and that price target then would become very interesting. I think I already said this in one of my last videos, that basically the next rectangle is the one that we are really looking out for, because then we can end this bigger downward trend right here. And if we break to the upside of this, then we are really good to go. But we are not there yet, and this right now is just speculation. Just from my point of view, this is probably the most likely scenario right now. But also we can't forget that we also have to take a look into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is leading the market, and I said it in multiple videos that what we are looking for in Bitcoin, so we had the breakout right here, we hovered around, and then it was at some point likely that we do a retest of the breakout level. We have done this, but here also so far we are getting rejected at the first resistance level. And what we want to see right here is also a daily candle close above this resistance level. And if we get this, then it's also very likely that we are getting the break of structure in Kaspa, and that is basically what we are waiting for right now. So we have our little box right here where we want to see the price leave the box either to the upside or to the downside to give us a more clear direction what will happen next. And in case that should happen, then of course I will upload another video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any questions or any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post it down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.